What was supposed to be the continuation of Jeff Cowan's sentencing hearing turned confrontational when a lawyer representing Norval Morrisseau's estate unexpectedly appeared in court. The lawyer, Jason Grattel, also claimed to represent Gabe Vatis and Corey Dingle, two individuals who abruptly decided they wouldn't be providing victim impact statements. Cowan's lawyer, Nathan Gorham, told the court he received an email from the BC lawyer, with Grattel threatening civil action if Gorham defames his clients during Cowan's sentencing hearing. Gorham characterized an email from Grattel as harassing and abusive behavior that threatened potential civil litigation on the basis of defamation on behalf of the Morrisseau estate, Vatis, and Dingle, who have publicly represented Morrisseau interests for years. Grattel, the court heard, is concerned with hypothetical arguments Gorham might make about both Vatis and Dingle and their alleged involvement in an art fraud ring that led to convictions of Cowan and his co-accused Jim White and David Paul Bremner, who both took plea deals and testified against Cowan in trial. Gorham said the defense provided to the court an affidavit from Morrisseau expert John Zamanovich, whose investigation into forgeries of Morrisseau paintings found that Dingle and Vatis knew about the existence of fake Morrisseau works and that members of Morrisseau's family may have been directly involved in creating and or selling forgeries while passing them off as real Morrisseau works by authenticating them in some cases and profiting directly or indirectly from their existence in the market, which grew following Morrisseau's death in 2007. Cowan, who represented himself and was convicted in November by a jury of 4 fraud charges for selling mimicked works of the late Indigenous artist, has hired Gorham for the sentencing proceedings. Gorham told the court he plans to call Cowan to the witness stand to testify, something Cowan did not do at trial. The Crown argued Cowan was the source of hundreds of mimicked Norval Morrisseau works that sold for thousands of dollars. Grattel was given 7 days by Justice Laura Bird to provide a response to the court following his interruption of the proceedings. The defense suggested Cowan's charter rights may have now been infringed upon. Cowan's sentencing hearing is scheduled to continue in April when he is expected to testify. Mike Arsledy, CTV News, Barrie.